Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Bluetooth and click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this icon next to the device, select Unpair, and to connect to the same one, switch off Bluetooth, switch it back on, just to be sure, tap on it again and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!